In the previous video, we defined number, string, and a list variable inside the Python. Now we are going to use the dictionary inside the Python for a dictionary declaration. We will simply use my dict, and then for the syntax of dictionaries using the curly braces, it's a key value pair. For key, we will use name and then specify the name of that particular key. And for version let's use version, and then we will specify like 3.10. To print this, we will simply use print function and simply type here my dictionary variable here. To run this, we will simply use python 3 and then that particular file. Now the dictionary data is visible on the screen. That's the way to simply define dictionaries.